Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's video where I will show you how to free up space by deleting WhatsApp data on your computer. If your PC is running out of space because of WhatsApp, don't worry, I have got a simple and effective solution for you. But before we dive into the steps, let's take a quick look at how much space WhatsApp is actually using. Go to the search bar and search here apps and features. And now again go to your search bar and search here WhatsApp. You can see here now WhatsApp is taking 11.6 GB space. That's a lot. That's a lot. Why? Let's close this window and check the remaining space on my local disk space. Now head over to this PC and check the free space on your local disk C. For me, there is only 10.8 GB left. Clearly, we need to clean these things up. So let's move on to deleting the unnecessary WhatsApp data and freeing up some space. But remember, this will log out of WhatsApp, so back up anything important first. Start by opening this PC. From here, click on your local disk C. Next, go to the users folder and find your username folder. For me, it's Abdul, but yours will be whatever username you have on your PC. You need to see hidden files to access the WhatsApp data. Here, click on the View tab and click on the Hidden Items. And check the box that says Hidden Items. Now the hidden files will appear. Now, follow this path. Click on App Data and then Local and then Packages. Here's the tricky part. There are many folders with random names, but you are looking for the one named. Search here 5319275. This is the folder of us. This is the WhatsApp data folder. Once you find it, carefully delete this folder. But be careful, doing this will log you out of WhatsApp. You will need to log back in when you use WhatsApp again. Now go to this, open this folder and select all and press Shift plus delete and yes, okay, then enter. You can see here is deleted in viewer data of WhatsApp. Close this folder. Now check the free space again. Now go back to this PC and check the space on your local DC. Look at that, you have freed up a ton of space. Isn't that satisfying? And that's how you can free your space by deleting the WhatsApp data from your computer. It's a quick and easy process that can make a big difference. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Got any questions or other tech issues? Drop them in the comments. I had love to help. Jazakallah khair for watching and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.